consider the
You
following.
never go to the water and then walk to the left.
Do you know why I don't go to the water fountain? That's gross, man. That's
That
gross.
is gross. I'd rather not drink water.
Let's look at this. When you're multiplying these guys are called conjugates. And they have a very neat special product here. When you FOIL, what do you get when you distribute? What do you get here?
A squared minus
A squared minus AB. Then what?
Plus AB
Plus AB, and then what?
minus B squared.
So what happens here?
It's A squared minus B squared.
Right, because these guys right here become what?
Cancel out.
Right, so if I ever got a tattoo, it'd have to be this guy. I mean, he's just so cool. I just always think he's neat because if you were to FOIL this, let me give you an example. If I start off with the example x plus 5 times x plus 5 times x minus 5, if you FOIL this out, you get x squared minus 5x. But when you distribute the positive 5, you get plus 5x minus 25, right? What happens? Those guys cancel, and you end up with just x squared minus 25. Notice what you did. How'd you get x squared? You did x times x. How'd you get negative 25? Well, it was 5 squared, but since they had opposite signs, it was negative 25, right? And that's using that special product. And these are some of the easiest guys that you can do this whole chapter. But in order to do it, you have to know your squares. If I say x plus 7 times x minus 7, what do you think this answer is? X squared minus 49. I don't need to FOIL because I know what happens when I do, right? Because the inside and the outside pieces are going to be opposites and they become 0. Do you agree?
Just multiplying A to A and B to B.
Because that special product told me what was going to happen when it's set up this way. Because see, that's what you do a lot of times in life. You look for patterns. You may not all know that you're doing this, but you do look for pattern recognition. And you go with that. You know what you can expect, right? What about x minus 11 times x plus 11?
X squared minus 121.
X squared minus 121. Done. Let's try one more, and then we'll have to move on to another page and make things a little bit more difficult. 5x plus 8 times 5x minus 8. So these guys are conjugates, right? 5x, 5x, 8, 8, opposite signs. So there I go again. La ha ha, this is what's correct.
5x squared minus 64.
24x squared minus 64. Where are those middle terms? You didn't show it, did you? Because you know what happens, right? You know it's going to happen.
Oh yeah.